Good morning, I hope you're all okay. I've just had a shower and washed my hair. I'm working from home today, so I'm going to apply our Lucy P Moringa mask. I've got Jude in the background eating his breakfast, so he'll probably be a bit vocal because you're enjoying it, aren't you, darling? He loves it. I've just started doing this French toast for him. Egg, banana and cinnamon, mash it all together and then soak the bread in it and then fry it in a little bit of coconut oil. And he is living his best life right now, aren't you, darling? Look at that smile. Okay, so anyway, back to business. As I said, I'm going to use our new enzyme mask. So this is an exfoliating mask. It's a gel consistency. So this mask contains pineapple enzymes. It also has pink clay, green tea, vitamin E, and it's also got the moringa seeds and also squalane. So it's really hydrating on the skin. It's a beautiful consistency and it is also fragrance free and suitable for sensitive skin. So I'm just going to apply it all over the skin, and as you can see, it is a lovely glossy gel and it's super lightweight on the skin. And this is going to purify the skin. It's going to help remove dead skin cells, blackheads, the complexion a lovely, bright, radiant glow as well. So just apply it all over and apply on the neck as well. So as you can see, it is a really lovely mask. It's really different to a lot of masks. As you can see, it's really glossy. The product is cruelty-free, vegan, cosmos organic, and obviously palm oil free. I'm just going to leave that on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll report back soon. So while the mask is doing its thing on the skin, you may feel some slight tingling. My cheeks may go slightly flushed. This is normal for me because I do suffer with mild rosacea. So whenever I use products, my skin does go a little bit red, but the products are sensitive skin friendly. As I said, they're fragrance free and there's no stinging, there's no irritation. It's just this product working its magic because it's boosting cell renewal, so it's really helping with that anti-aging and making the skin look more youthful, brighter, younger and fresher. So our super jewel soft cloth, I don't know if I've even said about these yet. We've got new cloths which are on the shop and they're absolutely stunning. And they come in a compostable bag and the jewel cloth itself is soft on one side and exfoliating on the other. I'll show you that now. So we've got this side and then you've got the more exfoliating side. So today we're going to use the soft side because we're already exfoliating the skin. But if you have the cleanser and you want to really get in there, this side is beautiful. So these are our new jewel cloths. I'm just going to wait a tiny bit longer for this to develop and then we will show you the after results of it. And with this mask, when I wash it off, it goes a milky consistency. So it's really nice. If you just even want to use it as a quick, zesty cleanser, so just to give your face a little zap and a wash, you can just cleanse of it. So just apply it, rub it all over the skin, use your water, clean it, and your skin will feel so refreshed. Beautiful product with great ingredients that are really effective and results driven on the skin. You say hi to the people. You know someone will taste. Okay. Yummy, yummy, and you tell me. Yummy, yummy. So I'm obviously in the kitchen. Normally I'll do this in the bathroom, but I'm multitasking today. Doing Jude's breakfast, getting ready for work, doing a mask, why not? And with the water, I'm just going to show you this, but you just apply it to the skin. And look at that, can you see how milky the product goes? It's such a lovely, so it's a gel to like a milky consistency. So you can just see that. So if you wanted to use it as a cleanser, you can, and just use it all over the skin, over the lips as well. And then we're gonna go in with our muslin cloth. The skin just feels so refreshed, alive, and just rejuvenated. It will feel softer, brighter as well. So can you see that? My skin is a little bit red, as I said. I've got quite a bit of pigmentation at the moment. And as you can see, this is the aftermath of using the Lucy V Moringa mask. It makes the skin absolutely glow. It feels radiant, it feels refreshed, it feels revitalized, and it just makes the complexion look absolutely incredible. It'll make the skin look younger as well because it's boosting that cell renewal. It's helping with fine lines. It's getting rid of dead skin cells and leaving the perfect base for no makeup or a fresh tan. So I hope you love it as much as we do, and yeah, get your glow on, guys.